Diba one of the church requirement is to schedule one-on-one with the priest. He gave us sets of questions to know more about us, our relationship. One question that resonates to me was, where did we came from? Tinanong tayo saan galing. Ikaw sa Bicol, ako sa Batangas. Pero miraculously, pinagtagpo pa rin tayo. Who would have thought na magiging tayo? That's what Father said. Even though we haven't met yet, God already did this work and planned for us to meet.
Hand in hand, just me and you.
Mag-ibigan kayo gaya ng pag-ibig ko sa inyo. Para manatili kayo sa pag-ibig ng Diyos, kailangan sundin nyo ang kanyang utos. Magmahalan kayo at maging tapat kayo sa isa't isa.
Make whatever we believe. I've been waiting
I still remember our first I-Do noong September 3, 2015. It felt so real, so full of love. And now, standing here again with you, it feels just the same. Maybe even more special dahil ngayon, we are surrounded by our family and loved ones. I thank God that we are here, renewing our vows, our love, and our promises.
I wanna go searching. Even if it's for nothing.
Sa mahigit 10 taon na pagiging mag-asawa natin, ang dami na natin pinagdaanan. May hirap, may saya, may luha at tawa. May tampuhan pero laging may pagpapatawad.
Paikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. O baka bigla lang mawala.
Rosemary! Parang rewards lang. Mary! Open na na. Wow! Thank you.
Uy daw, uy mo!
Tayo'y magkasama kung ano tayo sa buhay ng isa't isa.
Tama na yun?
Ikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli.
Naging perfect eh!
Thank you so much. I'm so blessed to have you as my wife.
Wow! Thank you, Nam. Thank you, ate. Wow!
Thank you.
Ay pipiliin ko ikaw.
Ngayon, sa harap ng Diyos at ng ating mga mahal sa buhay, nais kong muling ipangako sa iyo, hindi ako perpektong asawa. Minsan magkaiba pa rin tayo ng pananaw. Pero sa lahat ng ito, ako'y mananatiling iyong mahal, iyong kaibigan, iyong katuwang, iyong kakampi, at minsan kontrabida rin. Pero higit sa lahat, ako ang asawa mong hindi susuko sa atin.
As I stood here beside you, in front of God and our loved ones, I'm renewing my promise, my vow to you, that I will love you until the end.
Paulit-ulit na lang sumasabi, pero di ko naman pinaninindigan mo.
Kaso baka mawalan na tayo ng pangkain at pang-school ng mga bata. P.S. I love you more today than I did 10 years ago when we did our first vow. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Forever and always, my love.